Welcome to Kehl Window and Door. I'm Richard Kehl, President. For 25 years we have been designing, manufacturing, and installing our own brand of windows and doors. Today I'd like to invite you to our new platform and process of buying windows and doors for your home. This interactive approach combines old school selling with new technology that anyone can use with ease. To get started, click on one of the buttons below. The first button is the phone button to schedule a free in-house consultation from one of our design consultants. Or second, click on the video button to set up a free interactive meeting with one of our sales specialists to get access to our new customer portal. Or third, click on our website just to view what we're all about. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the future.